Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to upload and edit your photos using Gemini. In 2026, the AI has evolved from just a chatbot into a full-blown creative studio where you can analyze personal images or redesign AI-generated visuals in seconds. So let's get right into the workflow. First, you need to know how to get your files into the system. You can upload an image directly from your device by clicking the Add Files icon. It looks like a plus sign or a gallery icon right in the input bar. If your photos are tucked away in the cloud, make sure you have the Google Workspace extension enabled in your Gemini settings. Once that is on, you can click Add Files, choose Drive, and pull in any document or image you have stored there. This is perfect if you want the AI to describe a complex photo, extract text from a screenshot, or explain the contents of a diagram. Next, you can start editing your own imported photos using natural language. Once your photo is uploaded, you don't need to be a Photoshop expert. Just give a direct instruction, like change the background to a sunset, or add a pair of vintage sunglasses to the person. In 2026, Gemini is incredibly good at matching the lighting and perspective of your original photo, so the edits look seamless. You can even ask it to completely change the artistic style, like saying transform this vacation photo into a Van Gogh painting. Then, you should try the new precision tools for AI-generated images. If Gemini has created an image for you from a prompt, you can click on it to open the editor and use the selection tool, the lasso, to circle a specific area. If you want to swap something out, just encircle that part and type a modification, like replace the dog with a cat, or change the color of the car to metallic blue. This gives you total control over the small details without having to regenerate the entire image from scratch. Finally, keep in mind the integration within your productivity apps. If you are working in Google Docs or Slides in 2026, you can click on any image and select Help Me Visualize or Edit Image to adjust the content directly within your presentation or document. This allows you to stay in your flow while the AI handles the heavy lifting of graphic design. You can even specify the exact format you need, like 16:9 for a slide, or a perfect square for a profile picture, and Gemini will crop and recompose the image for you instantly. And that is it. Your AI is now a powerful photo editor and analyst all in one. If this creative guide helped you master your visuals today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and design tutorials. See you in the next one.